Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have my winter FabFitFun box and I'm really excited to jump into it. I have partnered with them on this video to share with you guys what is in this box. If you guys are also subscribed, I feel like this is girl time and we get to open it together and just talk about the different products. You guys will randomly see Nala and Bambi going about their business behind the video, so don't mind them. If you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box. You get it 4 times a year and it contains like seasonal lifestyle stuff, but I feel like it is an amazing value. And a lot of times one product will basically pay for the entire box. It is $49.99 for the subscription, but I do have a discount code for you guys. It is still LIZHEART and it does get you $10 off your first box, which puts it at under 40 bucks for everything that we're gonna see inside. So I haven't opened it. It is gonna be somewhat of a surprise. I had been trying to like not look at spoilers. And I don't know if you guys knew this. I think I mentioned it in my last unboxing, but now you're able to customize a lot of the things in your box. So you do get to select, which I think is really cool. So yeah, we're gonna see what I got in my box. So I'll show you what it looks like when you open it up. You can see it's just like jam-packed full of goodness. The first thing in here is a hair mask. This is from the brand Moroccan Gold Series. It smells pretty good. It does look pretty thick, which I can always use a good treatment mask. So I'm really excited to try this. It does say it's for intense care for dry and damaged hair. Stuff like this, I love to put this on my ends because I feel like my ends can always use the extra TLC. So up next we have an Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. I actually discovered this brand through FabFitFun and I fell in love with their hand cream. It is so good. It's like, I think it's called like their Dead Sea. Yeah, I might be saying that wrong, but it is a really good hand cream. I'll see if I can find it and insert a clip of it, but it's so good. So if that is super hydrating, I'm definitely excited to try out this face mask. Next, we have a Jade Roller. So this is what this looks like. And I think I know what this is. I think this is one of the spoilers that I saw. And if it is what I think it is, yep, I knew it. So it is one of those facial rollers, which these are awesome, you guys. But I actually talked about these in my last skincare video. You can kind of use these to help your serums and your skincare stuff to penetrate your skin a lot better. This is also really good for depuffing underneath the eyes. I love this for lymph drainage as well. If you guys ever have like a long night and you have a little bit too much to drink or you have too much salt and the next day you wake up like really puffy, just use this and just like give yourself a facial massage and you will notice a difference. Like your face will be a lot less puffier. The Jade Roller is also $45. So if you guys have been looking for a Jade Roller, the one that I shared with you guys a few weeks ago was also around, I want to say it was around $40 to $50 range. So if you guys have been wanting one of these, this is a really good box to buy. Like you literally get this and then everything else is like a bonus and you can use it for like Christmas gifts or like stocking stuffers and things like that. That's why I love this box. Okay, so next we have, this looks like an eye mask. So these eye masks retail for $29. I seriously love when they include eye masks. This is one of my favorite things to get in this box. Just like sheet mask, eye mask, just anything that's like skincare related. If I ever have like a special event to go to, this is one of my rituals. I will do a mask, like a detox mask, and then I will go in with a super hydrating mask. And at the same time, I will do eye patches. And then I will go in with my roller and like depuff my skin. And my makeup goes on flawlessly, you guys. Like I get the best makeup application. So yeah, these are really awesome. So next up, we have, says Elevate 2 essential oils. I think this is just essential oils. So I'm reading a little bit more about these oils and it says that, let me just read to you guys what it says. It says, unlike typical essential oils, these oils can be applied directly onto the skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms, while sweet orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. So I guess these are almost like a blend. I guess they're not really designed for your diffuser. They're more to like be applied topically. So that's really cool because I do love essential oils. Up next we have, what is this? It says it's Halston. Oh, it's a jewelry portfolio. So you can put like, this is for traveling. Oh, very cool. So you can put like your jewelry, you can like hang it in here, like bracelets and watches. And then on this side, this is actually a really cute gift idea. So if you know somebody that likes to travel a lot, You can put like necklaces and stuff right here. They always include something like super cozy like this, which I love. Like I think last year they had socks, like fuzzy socks, which I still have those to this day. Ooh, it's a scarf. Oh, love it. You can never go wrong with like a cozy scarf like this. You could definitely use it like a shawl almost. So this is by Mark and Graham. It's a $49 scarf, and you can choose in either this color, or they also have like a really pretty cream or like gray ivory color. What are these called? Fringes? Fringies? So this is from Bite Beauty, and it looks like it's a lipstick. So this is the amuse-bouche. Fun fact, I love that word, or like that phrase. I think it literally just means like that free little appetizer that the chef will send in at the beginning of your meal. So anytime I hear a waiter say that, I make him repeat it. I'm like, what is it again? I really like the way it sounds, amuse-bouche. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's $26. Ooh, this color is really pretty. You know, normally they always include like reds. I feel like it's usually like a red, but this color is just like a gorgeous, like I would totally go out and buy this color myself. It's perfect. There was one more thing in the box that I almost missed because it was kind of camouflaged, but this is from Thrive Cosmetics. They're beauty with a purpose. For every product you purchase, they donate to a woman in need. So this is their eye brightener, and I've actually used this before as well. So this is really pretty for like your inner corner. Let me try it. Do any of you guys use your phone as a mirror sometimes? So yeah, this you can like, can you guys see that? Like it just highlights in the inner corner of your eye, but I feel like you could also use this like in all the places that you highlight. Probably like your brow bone too. I feel like it just makes it really, really easy. What do you guys think? I like that this is just easy. Like you don't need a brush. It's just very precise, very quick, and you're done. So that is everything that's inside of my box. I really hope you guys enjoyed unboxing it with me. Let me know if you guys got the same things, or if you got to customize your box, what you picked. If you guys want to try it out for yourself, I will have my sign up link down below along with my $10 off coupon. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.